Hi guys, it's Jordan here from OVERLAND and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about something pretty important. Something you should have with you on every adventures, but also with you 24/7 on a daily basis. And I'm talking about an IFAK, which means individual first aid kit. And in today's video we're going to talk about one specific kit, the Solo first aid kit from My Medic. So the Solo first aid kit from My Medic is a small compact kit which features all the essential life-saving supplies you will need for your adventures or as an EDC. As you can see, it's pretty small, it's also water resistant and lightweight. It's sold for $50 and comes in tons of different colors. And speaking about price, you know guys that I always do my best to give you a discount code, and this time I got a 20% off discount code and it's simply ANSM20. So feel free to use it, especially with essential gear like that. It can be great as a gift too, and the link is gonna be down below in the description. For $100 you can get the advanced version of this kit, which is a little bit more trauma related, because in it you'll find a chest seal, nozzle airway, a rapid tourniquet, quick clots and a cut kit. It contains over 45 quality essential first aid supplies, each HSA and FSA approved. You can see on the back you got two straps with a bottom on the back, which you're gonna be able to use on any MOLLE system attachments. So it can be MOLLE seat organizers on your car, just MOLLE stuff on a war belt or MOLLE on the backpack. You also got a heavy duty handle at the top, so you can quickly grab it from the bottom of your backpack. And a feature I really like, oversized zipper with at the end a little rubber thing so you don't miss the zip when you really need it. That's pretty cool. And another thing I really like with this little pouch is the mesh pocket on the front, because I always love to put some extra supplies here. You need a quick access, like nitrile gloves. And now let's open it and see what's inside of this kit. Okay, and when you open it, it looks like that. Inside you're gonna have a whistle, some liquid skin to create a waterproof and protective layer over a wound. You got some tweezers, always useful. You got some EMT trauma shears, made by My Medic as well. And here this big bottle is a salt jet, which is a squeezable saline solution to clean wounds. We got another pocket here. In it we're gonna have some paracord, always can be useful out there, some gauze roll, and that's it for this pocket. And on this one you're gonna have a pair of nitrile gloves, and yes, the black one looks pretty good or a bit more tactical, but on black gloves you can't see blood, so the blue one are actually better for trauma situation or medical care in general. You're also gonna have this little plastic pouch with a lot of different things. First, the burn shield, which is some gel to put over burns and scalds. You just got some basic sunscreen if you forget it for hike or whatever, the sun is hitting pretty hard, you have some sunscreen. Also some lip balm, pretty useful as well. It's a daily life essential. Here you got an antibiotic cream to prevent cuts and scrapes from infections. And the last one from this little bag is the anti-itch cream. Okay, and it's not over yet, because you got even more little plastic bags here. So here you have just some basic hand sanitizers. Pretty useful this day, we're gonna put it that way. You got this super skin to prevent and or cover blisters. It can stick on your skin for 7 days in a row. Perfect for hiking too. And the last one here is an antiseptic and pain relief wipe. And we're gonna continue here with more medication. You got here some basic ibuprofen for pain, inflammation. And then you got more medication. The first one is for pain and fever relief. And then this one is gonna be for everything like upset stomach, diarrhea, nausea, and all this stuff that happen in your belly. And this one is gonna be for like allergic reactions, like itching nose, sneezing, itchy, watery eyes, and all of this kind of stuff. And then you still have some stuff in it, the secure strip, which is to close pretty clean wounds. It's like stitches, but without stitches, basically. And you got this big bandage pack, which, like it says on the package, is all sorted bandage for treating cuts, fingers, elbows, and knees. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys and see, because they all have a different shape. And this is all the bandage. So you got some small, big ones. You have some specific for elbows, knees, some for the fingertips, from knuckle, and big ones. Okay, so right in front of you, you have the entire Solo basic version IFAK from MyMedic. I really love this solution. It's a really buy and use solution, so it's ready to be used as an everyday carry IFAK. It will be the job perfectly, or also for hiking or adventures in general. Just put that in your backpack and you're good to go. As I said, you also have the advanced version with the TQ, chest seal, nasal airway, and quick lock, but this is some stuff you will have to learn how to use. And what I really love about this one is that everyone can use it, use what's inside, and it actually makes it a great gift to do. And especially with my 20% off discount code, which is, I'm gonna say it again, NSM20. Take care of your friends, family. This is a great gift. In my case, that's gonna be my new EDC IFAK. I'm just gonna add some more stuff, like more nitrile gloves, especially in the front mesh pocket. Like I said, I'm also gonna add a few more stuff to it that I had in my previous kit. But it really was a time for a change from my previous kit, which is tearing up parts. So I'm really happy to have this one now. And MyMedic actually make a lot of different kits, a lot of different medical supplies. And next week, we're gonna talk about another one, which is maybe a bit more relevant for overlanding or cars in general, the automatic stormproof IFAK. And this one is a little bit bigger, a little bit different, really specialized for everything that can happen in a car. So I'm pretty excited about it. I'm gonna keep it in my daily FOS, which is my daily drive Forester. And so stay tuned, next week, a full review of this kit. Another thing I wanted to show you is this little guide they have, which is the Stay Alive guide. Great source of knowledge, medical knowledge, but also survival, because you have everything from blood loss to fire building, shelter, meteorology. It covers a lot of stuff. So it's a great stuff to read and also to keep in your car if one day you need a quick reminder. This can be useful as well. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed the review of this little solo first aid kit from MyMedic. If you don't have one, I really suggest you to get it as soon as possible. It's really essential and it's pretty cheap, especially with my discount code, and also pretty small, lightweight, so just throw that in your bag and you're good to go. And if you need something maybe a bit more complete for your car, just wait one more week for the review of the automatic kit. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, it always helps. You can also check my Instagram account for awesome pictures and my website at nsmoverland.com for even more awesome content. Also, if you want to support me in another way, I also have a Patreon page. So thank you guys for watching, see you next week.